Welcome back, Fly Vegan family. Guess what we're making today? We're going to be whipping up a crawfish étouffée.
Vegan étouffée? Oh, I'm here for this.
We're going to start by making a roux. We're going to melt some vegan butter in a pan, then add the flour. I'm going to mix this together on medium heat for about 15 minutes. I'm waiting on it to turn the color of a penny.
Why is that done
Now we're going to add some onion, bell pepper, celery, garlic, and tomatoes. Cook the vegetables for about 10 minutes until they get soft.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Now add your bouillon cube or base. Throw in some Cajun seasoning. Add the water. Now I want to make sure everything is mixed.
You heard me?
Turn your pot up to medium high. Cover it. We're going to cook this for an hour. Stir in some vegan shrimp. And it's ready to serve. You're going to want to serve this with some rice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget,